So I got 5 gallons of gas here. Let's see what we get here when we fill this up. Will it take all 5 gallons? Let's go for it. I've probably cut the lawn 4 times on a full tank here, so let's see what happens. Cub Cadet's got about a half a tank, and the John Deere small push mower has a full tank. So once I fill this up, I should be good for a couple of weeks. Ah, that's full. We filled her up. I probably have a little less than a half a gallon left in here. So maybe this is like a 4-gallon tank, but I'm not sure. So if any of you guys know, let me know. Also, oh, I thought there was a cut in the cap, but there's not. That's it. Moved over here. Our next little project is going to be replacing the ignition switch on the John Deere X320, and that's only because it's getting a little finicky. When I shut it off, I got to wiggle the key a lot, so I'm pretty sure that it needs a new ignition switch. So let's get it going. See what I mean? That's kind of a little finicky there when we go to turn it off. So let's get going on this and see what's happening. Come on. Oh well, it doesn't want to stay. We'll do it manually. All right. So here's the engine. Okay, we'll take a good look in here because I haven't really done that yet. You got some fuses, and up underneath here is the That's the ignition switch. And up underneath here is how we get at it, right up in here somewhere. So we'll get this going.